Microsoft Copilot free versus paid comparison. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you the difference between the paid version and the free version of Copilot. So let's get into it. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. This is Copilot. And the free version of Copilot is really, really amazing. Actually, you don't really need the pro version unless you want to use it with other Microsoft apps such as Microsoft 360. But yeah, other than that, you can use the simple version because it offers almost all the benefits, but it just doesn't work with some other apps that, Microsoft has. And over here, you can see onto their main website the difference that they're telling us. So over here, you can see that it uses the Copilot on web and Windows, Macs, and pads. Over here, it also uses that. It acts as ChatGPT 4 and GPT-4 Turbo during non-peak times. Again, same thing, but it does use Turbo 4 during peak times for faster performance. This one is a little bit slower. You can use text, voice, images in conversational searches. You can build your own Copilot GPT tailored to your individual needs and interests. So if you want to build your own chatbot, you can go ahead and use it with the Pro version. In the simple version, you can create and edit AI images with 15 boosts per day by the designer. Whereas over here, you can use Copilot in productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, as I mentioned earlier. If you wanted to use Copilot with other applications, you would get the Pro version. And it uses plugins and GPTs. And of course, this one also uses that. But the other main benefit is that it generates unique images and then enhances your creation using 100 daily boosts. Over here, you get 15 boosts. And over here in the Pro version, you get 100 boosts. So as you can see, they're both pretty good. It depends on you what your need is. And also over here, you can see some other comparison done by other websites as well. Over here, it does not include the AI office and wait time during peak hours, as the website, you know, said. And the con of Pro is that it's a little bit expensive. Subscriptions doesn't include much extra over the free version, as I said before. The main difference is that you would only able to use it with other office apps if and the performance is going to be a little bit faster, but not a whole bunch. So keep that in mind. So over here is a little bit more concise comparison, but as I said before, not a lot of people are going to be using the pro version unless they want the 365 integration. But yes, this was the simple comparison between the free version and the pro version of Copilot. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section which one are you going to get, and until next time, take care and goodbye.